We have prepared this instructional video for researchers who wish to know more about Mendeley.com.
First of all, you need to log into Mendeley.com. Mendeley provides a free reference manager for your publishing requirements.
After logging in, you need to download Mendeley Desktop. It's free. Mendeley Desktop is available for Windows, Linux, as well as for other systems.
After downloading Mendeley Desktop, you need to install it on your computer. After installing the program, you need to launch it, and then install the Microsoft Word plugin, in case you plan to use Microsoft Word. Here's an example. Step 1, select the citation style. Step 2, insert the citation as shown in this video. Step 3, insert the list of references by clicking on Insert Bibliography. That's it. You are all set. By using a reference manager such as Mendeley Desktop, you will save a lot of your time. It's way better than typing your references manually. For further details, please visit Mendeley's YouTube channel.
You can also use EndNote for your citation requirements.
Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Have a nice day.